You're sitting in the front row, so you're probably gonna get soaked.
Zur Orientierung finden Sie Markierungen auf dem Boden. Bitte stehen Sie direkt an der gelben Linie mit maximal 3 Personen. Sollte Ihnen dies zu eng vorkommen, verteilen Sie sich.
We take these off now?
Look how close he is. He just walked out right there. Look, the guy. Did you see that?
All the credits, but
What?
Maroon's picking in all the credits.
Oh, you just brought him with us?
There's no music here or anything.
I'm keeping this small.
Do you want me to tell you when the journey to Atlantis section starts?
Yeah.
It's just one little thing of it. I'll tell you what.
It has like the flat part at the top.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Look at the track difference.
So no, journey to Atlantis. It's the old Atlanta right now. Ready? Journey to Atlantis. See?
Oh no 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 no!
I got a little wet.
Oh damn!
What? That's a clone of Journey to Atlantis. So you see that?
Mark, they have your tower over there.
What?
Basically all by.
It's not fun time, Bradley.
Look how many boats are holding.
Oh my God!
Oh
Look at that.
man!
In a jacket.
Look how many boats! There's like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a boat.
10.
Dude, that kid is
There's
so.
like 12 in sight.
That kid is stoked wearing a jacket, like a giant jacket.
Oh, drenched.
Are you guys soaked?
They need to add music to this ride. It's so uneventful. Oh, chug, chug, chug.
What do you mean?
They need like music or something. Audio.
Oh, why? I didn't meet your standards? Whoa, look in front of you.
Blink, blink.
It says pole position 30 minutes. Silver Star.
Oh no. Oh god.
It trims.
Oh god.
I like it.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
Good ride, good ride.
The seagulls. Oh.
You know what, Bradley? I see what you mean when you're like, the Krampus one tracks really well. Because honestly, that helix at the beginning was kind of rough.
Yeah.
I know what you mean. Like,
Krampus is very smooth. This is janky.
I prefer Krampus.
Yeah, I do too.
Experienced so much trash that I'm like, I need to coaster. Like it does like something crazy. It could be rough if it does something crazy. It's not a good one.
oh, do you want me to translate this for you? It says, welcome to Europa Park. We have so many credits and unlimited money for theming. We hope you enjoy your stay.
Oh.